Yeah, get betrayed, sucker. Sucker. Oh, I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, you're lying, little baby? Well... Yeah. What are you doing?
Playing Little Big Planet.
Can I play? Oh, really? Well, I'm kind of new to it, but do you think you could show me? I kind of like to play.
Well, you know, do you think you can handle it? 'Cause I'm a cheating. I'm a tryhard, so I'm probably gonna beat you.
I know. I just want to play. Is that okay?
If you think you can handle it, there's a controller right there.
You beat me again. Not very good at this. Bet you $30 I can win.
You're on.
In between the lines, there's a lot of obscurity. I'm not inclined to resign to maturity. If it's alright, then you're all wrong. Why bounce around to the same damn song? You'd rather run when you can't crawl. I know, you know that I'm not telling the truth. I know, you know, they just don't have any proof. Raise the deception, learn how to bet. Your worst inhibition's gonna psych you out in the end.
Can't believe you beat me. Wait a second. You hustled me!
Yeah, I guess I did.
I know, you know. I know, you know.
What are you playing?
Little Big Planet.
Can I play? Don't take the
Okay.
camera.
Okay. Okay, you can play!
Someone's gonna call the cops!
Your hands smell like horse glue! I've been infected! I'm foaming from the mouth.